Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another video from the counseling series. Please join our Telegram group. The link is there in the description. Fill in the Google form and you will receive all the counseling related updates over there. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Please press the bell icon. So continuing on from the previous video, you need to see what kind of career opportunities that branch offers 10, 15, 20 years from now, and specifically in the region you want to settle in, right? If you're somebody from south of India and want to practice Ophthal, it's a little tricky to practice or set up a private practice over there because the quality of Ophthal care is very, very high in Ophthal at very, very low prices. There are big institutes like the Arvind, like the Shankara, who are doing good amount of cases, huge amount of cases, and for a very, very low price or a charity thing. So not a lot of people would be willing to go to private clinics. So you need to select, you need to do a groundwork research of the area you want to settle in, right? If you want to go someplace rural, then OBGYN might be a good branch for a girl candidate, but not so for a male candidate, because there's certain amount of hesitancy in the rural areas to get operated or get checked up by a male gynecologist, but it's not there in the 3-tier cities or 2-tier cities. You need to see what kind of penetration that particular branch has in your area. So you need to do a thorough ground research. You need to speak with a lot of people in that branch over there, what problems they're facing, and if you will be able to counter those with your support of the family or whatever, right? Or by yourself. Okay. So it's imperial to discuss and know all of those things. Is there an opportunity for jobs? Like in terms of, if we think about radiation oncology, that's an up and coming branch, but we are not very sure if there will be a lot of scope for private practice in that branch. So you need to see if you want to do only private practice, or is it okay for you to do a job. So if you want to do a private practice only, then radiation oncology might not be a good branch for you, because radiation oncologists need referrals from surgical oncology, from medical oncology to get their patient load, and you need to be in a good 3-tier, 2-tier center that is having a good amount of cases for cancer. So you need to select what would be the right branch for you. We will dive into deeper discussions in the subsequent videos and what more you need to think about the right specialization for you. We'll keep it coming. Thank you for watching. Kindly join the WhatsApp group and subscribe to the channel. All the very best, guys.